In this video, I am gonna share with you the top 3 high-paying freelance skills that you can learn in 2025. This is based off of a survey that I sent out to over 100,000 subscribers, asking them what skills they rate currently hiring for and how much they rate paying for them. So, these are actual numbers from real people. They need help. Think about it. If you run a $10 million a year business and you rate spending even just $10,000 a month on running Facebook ads, now what is really awesome about this skill is that you don't actually need to code at all. According to Verizon's 2023 Data Breach Investigations Report, the average cost of a cyber attack is $9.5 million. And what this means is that companies are constantly looking for quick and easy ways to protect themselves against these attacks. This is where penetration testers come in. To actually get paid for it, you probably won't get paid as a freelancer doing this work. Now you might be thinking, wait, doesn't this require coding? Well, yes and no. Or you can build mobile applications using Flutterflow, React Native, or the App Builder. He shows you how to build a fake SaaS demo in 3 days. It's completely free and it's perfect for beginners. It'll show you how to build a fake login page, how to add dummy data to your database, and then how to create a dashboard with charts and graphs using Airtable. After you finish the tutorial, you'll have a portfolio piece that you can show to potential clients to demonstrate your skills. And then you can start taking on projects on Fiverr. In 2025, startups are going to be willing to pay between $5,000 and $20,000 to build a minimum viable product app on either iOS or Android. If you're able to build an app on Bubble or Flutterflow, then you can charge $30 to $150 per hour on Fiverr for doing this type of work. Low-code platforms allow you to build applications without writing any code, but there's still a bit of a learning curve to understanding how to build a good application. We live in a capitalist society, and the only way you can truly get rich is by building a business around the things that you do. So if you want to learn how to turn your skills into a full-time income, then check out this video over here. I've personally used Bubble and Glide to build applications in less than an hour. So it's definitely something that I believe anyone can learn. Most likely you'll have to get a job at a company. The reason why I included it on this list is because it has something that you can easily learn and then start applying for jobs. So it has a very clear path to getting paid. Plus, like I said, it has a huge market because of how expensive it is. Penetration testers are hired to simulate an attack from a hacker's point of view. They'll try and gain access to the company's systems and network by attempting common attack methods like SQL injections, cross-site scripting, and brute force attacks. And the idea behind this is that if a hacker tried to attack the system, would they be able to do it? If so, then the company knows about it and they can fix it before a hacker finds the vulnerability. There are some tools out there that allow you to visually connect different actions together to create automation. So you can start learning about prompt engineering and how to get the best results. From tools like Chat, it's completely free. You can go to OpenAI's website and they have guides showing you how to write better prompts. And then you can also use tools like Zapier, Integromat, or even IFTTT to connect different pieces of software together to create workflow automation. Wouldn't it be useful to have a custom bot that helps you analyze those results so that you can make better decisions going forward? But even if you're not running ads, think about just doing basic predictive analytics. So there is a wide range here depending on the size of the company and the scope of the project. Now, if you're wondering how to get started with this skill, my recommendation is to look at Google's Cybersecurity Certificate. It costs $49 per month and it teaches you everything you need to know to become a cybersecurity analyst. And once you finish that, you can put your knowledge to practice by trying to hack into vulnerable machines. On a website called Hack the Box, you can rent virtual computers that simulate real-world environments. And then you can use the skills that you learn in the course to try and break into the system. It's completely free to sign up and get started. You only have to pay if you want to use their premium features. I am sure you've heard of Netflix and how they use AI to recommend shows to watch next. Well, that same technology can be used by a company to recommend products to buy. So if you're selling physical products, imagine having a system that recommends products to buy together. Maybe you sell shoes online and you have a piece of technology that when someone buys a certain type of shoe, it suggests other products that go along with it like insoles or laces. That's what we call upsell. And so being able to build custom solutions that leverage artificial intelligence is gonna not be a really lucrative skill set in 2025. The first skill on the list is AI solutions. People who have learned how to leverage AI tools like Chat or Midjourney have seen huge success as freelancers. You can do things like creating custom chat bots for businesses where you take in an input from the user and then give a very specific command to Chat to output exactly what the person wants. Or you can create a tool that takes data from one place and formats it into another. This could be pulling in raw data from one software and putting it into a more usable format that someone else can work with. Think of it like taking all of your customer emails from a CRM and turning it into a perfectly formatted email list that someone can import into their email marketing platform. And there is so many use cases for this type of service that any business can find value in it. Now the main reason why I think this will be such a lucrative skill in 2025 is because every single business in the world needs some sort of AI automation right now. As far as how much money you can make with this, according to Upwork, AI solutions range anywhere from $50 to $300 per hour. Alright, let's move on to the second highest paying skill, which is cybersecurity audits. On average, companies spend $500 to $5,000 per project on penetration testing. Now, here's what's interesting about this skill. And now let's move on to the third highest paying skill, which is low-code development. Now low-code development falls into two categories. First, you can build websites using builders like Webflow or Squarespace. Now my recommendation for how to get started with this is to watch a tutorial on YouTube. It's called No Code School. So those are the three highest paying freelance skills for 2025. But there's a catch.